So this video that popped up on social media have this brother by the name of Demetrius Lewis. Now he's supposed to be appearing in court on a virtual hearing before Broward County Judge Tabitha Blackmon. Now, you know, some guys, when they have the simp in them, it just gonna come out, you know, and you know a telltale sign of a simp, you know, because they can't just help themselves on certain things. But let me go ahead and roll this clip. But I also want you to pay attention to what the prosecutor is going to say about this guy. Just make sure you pay attention to that.
Demetrius Lewis on page 26.
That girl. Just go in.
How you doing? How you doing?
All right, I'm good, sir. How are you?
Good. Judge, you is so gorgeous, Miss Judge. I just have to tell you, you're gorgeous.
Thank you, Mr. Lewis. All right, Mr. Lewis. Flattery will get you everywhere, but maybe not here. The court finds probable cause on count 1, burglary, occupied dwelling, unarmed. Count 2, possession of MDMA, ecstasy, and first looks to the state for their recommendation as to bond and any priors.
Your Honor, I'm recommending a $7,500 bond, no victim contact, no return, because it looks like an attempt. If it wasn't, I'd be asking for a higher bond, frankly. Noting the allegations, Your Honor, there were 3 children present in the home that Mr. Lewis was attempting to break into. Thankfully, there was a Ring camera, and the children's mother saw what was going on. There was a neighbor that intervened if they weren't able to. Who knows what would have happened, Your Honor. As far as his history, Mr. Lewis just was released from state prison.
Now, in that case, you know, he's being charged with attempted burglary. But he was released back in 2019 after doing a 4-year bid for aggravated battery with a deadly weapon. So Demetrius here, he is a simp, as you saw. I mean, he just can't help himself. And he's a career criminal from what it looks like here with Demetrius. Now, you heard the part where when the guy was talking about the children were in the home, and he couldn't believe it.
There were 3 children present in the home that Mr. Lewis was attempting to break into.
You know, and then he's like, that's not true. But, you know, a lot of people online was talking about this judge, and, you know, y'all was just, you know, Googling over this judge. But, you know, I was just doing some research into the judge herself, you know, where she come from. But then I found something on Caribbean Bar Association. We made sure to put that up, Mr. Elvis. So you can see here, it said, Broward County, meet your newest judge. Congratulations to Tabitha Blackmon on her swearing in this afternoon. I said Judge Blackmon was sworn in by Chief Judge Jack Tudor and flanked by her husband, which would be the gentleman to her right, 2 daughters, mother, and aunt, in support of with words of congratulations. Hundreds of judges, lawyers, family, and friends appeared via Zoom. So that's who that gentleman is. That is her husband. So yeah, sorry fellas, that's her husband. So calm down. And I already know what the comments gonna say. I'm not gonna say it. I'm gonna let y'all say it. You know, much as I really want to say certain things, because y'all, I already know y'all gonna go with that. But anyway, this dude here, he thought if he can just be a little bit more simpish, that maybe that'd get him out of something. But no, I mean, now he did have a $5,000 bond, even though, so maybe that helped him out. I don't know, maybe, because his bond was $5,000 when he should have had no bond at all, just doing a bid in jail. Well, let me know what y'all think, you know, about, you know, this simp here, Demetrius the simp, trying to get himself out of trouble with compliments. Like I said, we don't know. Maybe it could have worked with that low bond amount. But y'all let me know what you think.
All right, Mr. Lewis, flattery will get you everywhere, but maybe not here.